Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Disney Collectibles is probably one of the most magical and enchanting ways to bring a touch of Disney wonder into your everyday life, offering a delightful escape into the beloved stories and characters that have captured hearts for generations. From classic animation to modern blockbusters, these treasures evoke nostalgia and spark joy for fans of all ages. Number 5. Evil Female's Villain Lover Makeup Bag. Embrace your inner villain with this stylish makeup bag. It's perfect for anyone who loves a touch of mischief. Crafted from soft, waterproof canvas with a strong zipper, this bag is built to last. The vibrant double-sided print ensures it looks great too. Measuring 9.0 W x 6.7 H x 1.96 D, it offers ample space for all your beauty must-haves. This bag isn't just for makeup, it's perfect for organizing your essentials like lipsticks, creams, a power bank, or even your phone and sunglasses. Whether you're running errands or embarking on a cross-country journey, it's the ideal companion to keep your items secure and accessible. We're here to help if you have any questions. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we'll do our best to resolve any issues. What we like. This makeup bag features a bold, chillin' like a villain quote, perfect for those who embrace their inner mischief. Its waterproof design and large capacity make it ideal for travel. If you're looking for a fun and practical way to store your beauty essentials on the go, this is the one for you. What people say. It is very well made and fun. Good use for overnight stays when you only need a few items. Number 4. Styla Hair Mouse Ear Scrunchies. Get a great value with this pack of 2 adorable mouse ear scrunchies. Available in 2 stylish colors, they feature soft black velvet with sparkling sequin bows. Crafted from premium soft velvet, these hair accessories are designed for long-lasting wear. The comfortable elastic ensures a secure fit all day long. Add a touch of fun to any outfit or occasion with these trendy mouse ears. They are perfect for parties, vacations, school, or just everyday wear. These scrunchies feature a classic mouse ear design with glittery sequin bows for a fun, sparkling look. They're a great way to accessorize any hairstyle. Looking for a fun gift? These cute scrunchies make a fantastic present for anyone. They're a delightful accessory for kids and adults alike. We're sure you'll love these new hair scrunchies. Be sure to explore our other stylish hair accessories to complete your look. What we like? Get a value pack of 2 scrunchies, featuring a mix of soft velvet and sparkly sequins in the iconic mouse ear design. These are perfect for adding a touch of fun and sparkle to any hairstyle. If you love Disney and want a trendy accessory for parties, vacations, or everyday wear, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The characters are very detailed and well-made, perfect for collectors. The interactive features keep children engaged for hours, making playtime more fun. The design is classic Disney, capturing the magic of the movies perfectly. Number 3. LEGO Ideas 21317 Disney Steamboat Willie Building Kit. Relive a piece of history with this special model. It's designed to commemorate 90 years of Disney's beloved Mickey Mouse. This set brings a classic cartoon to life. This incredible build features moving steam pipes and rotating paddle wheels. You can push the boat along to see them in action. It also includes an adjustable crane and many other true-to-life details. This set comes with 2 exclusive minifigures, a Mickey Mouse and a Minnie Mouse, both featuring special silver-colored decoration. You'll also find Mickey Mouse's parrot figure included. Measuring over 5 inches high and 10 inches long, this model is perfect for display. You can also use it to recreate memorable scenes from the original 1928 cartoon. With 751 pieces, this building set is suitable for ages 10 and up. It's a fantastic collectible for any fan, young or old. Let your creativity flow. This nostalgic LEGO Ideas set allows you to build and display the iconic Steamboat Willie. It can be combined with other LEGO bricks for endless creative possibilities. What we like? Celebrate Mickey Mouse's 90th anniversary with this detailed LEGO Steamboat Willie set. It features moving steam pipes and paddle wheels, plus collectible minifigures. If you're a fan of classic Disney animation, LEGO building, or looking for a nostalgic display piece, this set is a must-have. What people say. The packaging was very cute and the product itself is very detailed. The toy is well made and has a lot of fun features that my kids love. It's a great addition to our Disney collection and the kids play with it all the time. Number 2. Colourpop Disney Princess. It's a princess thing eyeshadow palette. Discover the magic of Disney with this enchanting eyeshadow palette. Inspired by your favorite princesses, it brings a touch of fairy tale to your makeup routine. This collection features a stunning array of pressed powder eyeshadows. Each shade is designed to help you create a look fit for royalty. Explore a spectrum of rich, pigmented colors that blend effortlessly. From subtle shimmers to bold mattis, the possibilities are endless. Create captivating eye looks that last all day and night. These shadows are formulated for comfortable wear and beautiful results. Whether you're recreating iconic princess moments or forging your own path, this palette is your perfect companion. Embrace your unique beauty. What we like. This eyeshadow palette is inspired by beloved Disney princesses, offering a range of vibrant and blendable shades. It's perfect for creating magical makeup looks. If you're a fan of Disney princesses and love experimenting with colorful eyeshadow, this palette will help you create enchanting looks. What people say. Pretty colors, soft tones, the sparkly ones are good. The shades in this palette are so pretty. The color combinations work so well together. The artwork and color names are fun and creative. The shadows are pigmented and blend well, the shimmers are so beautiful and there are several to choose from. Number 1. Lego Disney Castle. Step into a world of enchantment with the Lego Disney Castle. This iconic structure brings the magic of Disney right to your fingertips. It comes with beloved characters like Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Donald and Daisy Duck, and Tinker Bell. Each figure is ready to embark on magical adventures. Explore the intricately designed facade, complete with a stone bridge and ornate balconies. The castle boasts multiple stories filled with Disney-inspired rooms and features. Launch the fireworks and let the magic unfold. This set encourages endless adventures and creative storytelling. With over 4,000 pieces, this impressive castle offers a rewarding building experience. It's perfect for combining with other characters for even more fun. Standing over 29 inches tall, this magnificent castle is a stunning display piece. It's a gateway to a world of imagination and cherished Disney memories. What we like. Build the iconic Disney castle with this massive Lego set, featuring a detailed facade, multiple rooms, and 5 beloved minifigures. It's a grand centerpiece for any Disney collection. If you're looking for an epic building challenge and a stunning display piece that captures the magic of Disney, this castle is perfect. What people say. The castle looked beautiful after it was assembled. The build is broken down to the base, center castle, the side walls, and finally the top portion of the castle. There are also so many fun decoration pieces to build. The product description only shows some of them. The rest is left for the builders to discover. Overall, the set is very sturdy, but there are sections that I feel could be enforced so they don't come apart easily when accidentally pushed the wrong way. I knew the set was going to be huge, but it still exceeded my expectation. It is huge, so buyers beware. I also found the hiding of the glass shoe to be very clever. It will be a very fun game to play with the kids. Can you find where the glass shoe is? It has tons of fun little details. It's around 3 feet tall, completely built. It comes apart into 3 sections pretty easily to move it. I love that it has little fireworks to shoot out of the castle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.